What's up YouTube? Welcome back guys. Today it's gonna be a quick short video, quick install of the new SC exhaust, just the slip-on. Moved the Austin Racing, which is a great slip-on also, sounds great. And I'm gonna put this one on and then we'll fire it up. But before we do that, I'm going to turn the SC exhaust on so you guys can see what that sounds like, and then with no muffler on, what that sounds like, and then this guy goes on, and then we'll shoot that up too and see what that sounds like. But the cool thing, as you guys may have seen a lot of my videos that I do, I go on ride and I do the audio of the bike sound separately. So this is that device that I use, H1N1 Zoom, about $100, $110 on Amazon. And I'm gonna turn this on and then fire up the bike. And the audio that I'm going to put in the video will be from this. It might feel low, but it should be very clear. GoPro tend to, just enhance the sound so much that it kind of becomes a little bit unclear of what the actual sound is like, especially when you're riding because of the wind and all that stuff that gets caught up. Alright, so this is on recording. Press the red button. I'm going to place it just down here, behind me. And then turn on the bike. This is a cold start. Haven't turned it on for last maybe 2 days. Yes, that is the sound of the Ducati monster with the Austin Racing slip-on, guys. Now I'm going to take off the slip-on and then turn the bike on one more time without any muffler, and then see what that sounds like. Now let's dig in for the tools, because it's always a hunt in my house because it's very disorganized. The hardest thing is finding the tools. So the first tool that I found is this piece. You use this to remove the springs. So now the muffler is off. I'm not sure if I need to take this piece off or not. I will find out. Alright guys, so let's pop it back on. Turn this thing on again. It's gonna be loud. You ready? You guys ready? Now I'm gonna let the bike cool off. I'll go away for a while, find the other tools I need, and then come back to the job. Alright guys, we're back. Finally got the exhaust on after searching for the tools I needed. Missing one piece here, but still is good. It's secure. So now we're gonna power it on for the first time. Also get the recording on our Zoom. Okay, fire it on, Osama.
With this.
Okay, the nut is out.
It's broke.
Now we pulled it out.
No, not like that. I mean,
Okay, the DB is out.
Yeah.
Look at it, guys. Pretty long. I'm gonna power it on again.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
So if you guys like the video, if you like to see me do more of these kind of little short videos of installs, yeah, continue to support us, like, subscribe, and do comment how you like the sound of this bike down below. Thank you guys.
Adios.